Saves the World show. A show in which you'll become aware of the fact that music crosses all bridges, borders and cultures to connect us all.
Musikaren hizkuntza komuna erabiltzeak elkartasuna eta lankidetza bultzatzen laguntzen duela oso argi daukagu La Milagrosa ikastetxean. Musika askatasuna da, funtsezkoa geure bizitzan.
Y es que, con música, he bailado, he llorado, he reído, he recordado, he besado, he amado. Con música, he vivido. Así que os damos la bienvenida a nuestra especial Pasarela de la Paz.
Una pasarela con la que repasaremos 6 canciones de estilos totalmente diferentes entre sí, pero con una misma misión: transmitir un mensaje de paz y de amor.
Espero dugu zeuen gustoko izatea.
Look at your women crying. Look at your young men dying, the way they've always done before.
to change for once in my life. It's gonna feel real good. Gonna make a difference. Gonna make it right. And as I turn up the collarbone, my favorite winter coat, this wind is blowing my mind. I see the kids in the street with not enough to eat. Who am I to be blind, pretending not to see their need? A son's disregard, a broken bottle top, and a one-man show. They follow each other on the window, 'cause they got nowhere to go. That's why no one got to know. I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change his ways. And no message could have been any clever. If you wanna make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and then make a change. Na 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 na.
Come, baby, come, we show you the world. Today, today. Come, baby, come, we go off for your nightmares. Today.
Way up high, and the dreams that you dream of once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dreams that you dream of, dreams really do come true. Someday you wish upon a star, wake up till the clouds are far behind. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dream that you did to oh why can't I?
Come, baby, come, we show you the world. Today, today. Come, baby, come, we go off for your nightmares. Today.
Hear the children crying. Hear the children crying. Saying, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Saying, let's get together and feel alright. Oh, 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 oh. Let them have fast all this dirty remarks. There is one question I'd really love to ask. Is there a place for the hopeless sinners who has hurt all mankind? Just save his soul, believe one love. What about a one heart? What about a little? Get together and feel alright.
Come, baby, come.
trauma. Overseas, yeah, we trying to stop terrorism, but we still got terrorists here living in the USA, the big CIA, the Bloods and the Crips and the KKK. But if you only have love for your own race, then you only leave space to discriminate, and to discriminate only generates hate. And when you hate, then you're bound to get irate. Yeah, madness is what you demonstrate, and that's exactly how anger works and operates. Man, you gotta have love that you set it straight. Take control of your mind and meditate. Let your soul gravitate to the love, y'all.
People killing, people dying, children hurt, hear me